Apple switched to USB-C port on this year's entire iPhone 15 lineup. This was mainly to comply with the norms set by European Union. The Indian government is planning to go the EU route in making USB-C ports mandatory on all smartphones. This poses a challenge for Apple and they are not happy about it. In a closed-door meeting chaired by India's IT minister, Apple has urged officials with solutions and the potential impact of production due to the regulation. The Indian government wants a universal USB-C charging port as it will help users and also reduce e-waste. The regulation is set to be introduced in June 2025. This is 6 months after the law gets implemented in the EU. In the meeting, Apple officials said that implementing the mandatory USB-C rule would impact the company's production targets set under the government's production-linked incentive ACA PLI scheme. The exact impact was not revealed. The Cupertino-based tech giant is seeking an exemption for older iPhones for the universal USB-C mandate. Apple assured it can adhere to the June 2025 timeline, but if older phones are exempted, the company wants to implement deadline to be delayed. It would need an additional 18 months beyond 2024. Additionally, as per Reuters reports, Apple told Indian officials that the design of the earlier products cannot be changed. Seeking an exception for older iPhones from the USB-C law is understandable as they are very popular choices with Indian consumers, especially iPhone 13 and 14 models.